What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I have sweet potatoes that are growing out of this grow bag, and if you can see, we've got some damage from a couple of light frosts that came through, and there's going to be some more cold temperatures coming, so I need to get these guys out of the bag now. So I'll bring you along and show you how I'm doing it. First thing I'm going to do is snip all of the vines right at the soil level. And I do have a mulch in here, so then I'm going to take all this off and then get to add it into my compost pile. Okay, so now what's cool with this, I can just dump it right out. I wonder if I put that in soil, if that would continue to grow so I could have slips for next season. I may put that to the side, do a little experiment. Hey, there we go. This is a weed. Yeah, this is another root mass with some, I might keep that too. Hey, so for how it's been a couple years, I'll definitely take some of these. And I'll be heading down to my brother's in the next couple weeks. So I'll start to let these cure. And then we'll be just in time for Thanksgiving. So you can go ahead and try out some fresh sweet potatoes and see how they are. I will have some for myself though. Yeah, so I don't know if this is going to work or not, but I'm going to kind of put a couple of these guys aside in a little soil and inside the house under a grow light and see what happens. So let me know if you think this is going to work down in the comments. I did not have any idea all these roots that were going to be in here, because I plan on reusing this mix for either some garlic or to grow some more radishes or beets. So I'm going to have to probably sift out these roots, but you know, I rather have a lot of roots and some sweet potatoes than no roots and no sweet potatoes. So, well, thanks for coming along, checking out this quick video. Everybody have a great day.